Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this special edition, we focus on words dealing with the Euro 2020 or 2021, however you like to put it. In this video, we cover words like European champion, group stage, or trophy in Standard German as well as in Austrian German. After having watched this video, you are well prepared for the Euro 2020. The learning goal of this video is to understand important words for the European Championship in football. Euro is pronounced Euro in German. The German term for European Championship is Europameisterschaft. In Austria we find our classic distinction. In the West, Austrians will say Europamasterschaft. In the East, Europamasterschoft. In Standard German, European champion means Europameister. With Austrian accent it is again the same thing. In the West you will come across Europameister. In the East, Europamaster. Now let's turn to the group stage. Group stage means Vorrunde in Standard and in Austrian German. The next rounds are called Achtelfinale, Viertelfinale, Semifinale, and Finale. As we all know, there are three different results that are possible. A win is Sieg, a draw means Unentschieden, and a defeat is Niederlage, or with Austrian accent, Niederlag. Finally, the champion gets a trophy, which is called Pokal in Standard as well as in Austrian German. Now you've learned important words about the Euro. Enjoy the tournament. I hope your favorite team plays a great Euro. See you in the next Austrian German tutorial.